Have you ever walked past this humble plant in your garden or at the farmer's market without realizing it's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet? Meet purslane, a common weed that's actually a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Today, we're diving deep into the science-backed health benefits of purslane and why you should consider adding it to your diet. Purslane, or Portulaca oleracea, is a leafy green that grows almost everywhere: gardens, sidewalks, even between cracks in the pavement. While many consider it a weed, it's actually a nutrient-packed edible plant that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It has a slightly tangy, lemony flavor and a crunchy texture, making it a great addition to salads, soups, and smoothies. Purslane is a nutritional champion. Here's why: omega-3 fatty acids. It's one of the richest plant sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 that supports heart and brain health. Vitamins, packed with vitamin A, C, E, and B-complex vitamins, especially folate. Minerals, high in magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iron. Gram for gram, purslane has more omega-3s than some fish oils and more beta-carotene than carrots. Pretty impressive for a weed, right? Supports heart health. Thanks to its high omega-3 content, purslane helps reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease bad cholesterol, LDL. Studies suggest it may help prevent atherosclerosis and improve circulation, boosts immunity, fights inflammation. Purslane's vitamin C and glutathione strengthen the immune system, while its anti-inflammatory compounds help with conditions like arthritis and asthma. Antioxidants aids digestion, gut health. It's rich in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Traditional medicine even uses purslane to soothe stomach ulcers, may help regulate blood sugar. Early research suggests purslane may improve insulin sensitivity, making it a potential ally for people with type 2 diabetes. Supports skin hair health. With its high vitamin A and E content, purslane promotes collagen production, reduces acne, and even helps with hair growth when consumed or applied topically. How to eat purslane? Ready to try it? Here are some easy ways to enjoy purslane: fresh in salads, toss with olive oil, lemon and feta, blended in smoothies, adds a nutrient boost without overpowering flavor. Sautéed or stir-fried, cook like spinach with garlic and olive oil. In soup stews, adds a slight tanginess. Pickled purslane, a tangy, probiotic-rich condiment. Just make sure to wash it thoroughly since it grows close to the ground. While purslane is safe for most people, those with kidney stones should limit intake due to its oxalate content. Also, pregnant women should consult a doctor before consuming large amounts. So, the next time you see this weed, remember, it's a free superfood hiding in plain sight. Have you tried purslane before? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for more natural health tips.